We're gonna start by making our marinade today. We're gonna need about a half a cup of lemon juice, and that should have us about there. Now, it doesn't matter what sequence you put this together because it's all just going in the bowl. We'll start with our lemon juice and our water, soy sauce, brown sugar, fresh parsley, and I think I'm gonna put a few snips of thyme in there. A tablespoon of Worcestershire, and the guest of honor, about a cup of bourbon. Rumor has it that if you're in Augusta, they're gonna ask you what your daddy does. If you're in Macon, they're gonna ask you where you go to church. But when you're in Savannah, we just gonna ask you what you want to drink. And I'm not gonna worry about that today because I'm gonna put it to them in the meat. We're just gonna mix all that up, just like that. And look at this mouth-watering beef tenderloin that I have. I'm gonna just finish tying this up, and it's real easy. You can kind of get your own method, but this is a real easy one right here. Just wrap your string over and looping back through there. And this will just help secure that your meat doesn't fall apart on the grill for you. Because sometimes this can have a tendency after you take the silver off to come apart on you. And this way we know we're not gonna lose a drop of him. All we're gonna do now is pour the marinade over him, and we're gonna put him in the refrigerator and let him marinate. It's hard to believe that you can improve the flavor of a tenderloin, but this is the bourbon and the sugar and all is gonna just give him such a unique flavor that you're not used to eating when you serve tenderloin. I got this recipe from my cousin Kelly. She does a lot of entertaining. She's a young working mother. She's a career girl and has so many things on her plate. And she has found that this is a very easy dish for her to serve and very palate pleasing at the same time. So we're just gonna cover this and put it in the refrigerator and let him soak up all those flavors.
Our tenderloin is now ready for the grill.
Now you can marinate this anywhere from 4 to 6 hours to overnight. Oh, wow, hear it. I'm gonna have some happy eaters tonight. The beauty of this dish is we're looking at 25 minutes. That's for a medium rare now. So all we have to do is rotate him on the grill and then he's ready to eat. Let's take a peek and see how he's looking. He's doing real well. And we're just gonna keep turning him until he's a nice glazy brown. And I know you probably can't see over in here, but I'm cooking with a gas grill today. Now, if you're doing this with charcoal, remember you will want to have your fire just right when you're doing this. You don't ever wanna start cooking your meat when you have black charcoals. You want them to be an ashy gray with a glowing red inside of them. That'll give you a perfect flame. Our 25 minutes is up. I stuck a temperature probe in it a few minutes ago, so now I'm ready to check it. And it looks just like it's at the correct temperature. It's between 120 and 130, which is a little under medium rare temperature, but I'm gonna let this rest so it will continue to cook a little bit more. And remember the string that I was tying it up with? Now I'm gonna take it and just snip it off, just like so, because you don't want your guest eating rope. I have another delicious recipe for tenderloin. It's stuffed with a duxelle sauce. You can stuff these with anything. In fact, it would be divine stuffed with blue cheese. So let's see what we have. A perfect medium rare.
When we come back,
I'm gonna share with you some tips that's gonna make your barbecue easier.
hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.